We were at a stoplight in Lakeland. We were in traffic, the light was red at the time. It hadn't turned green, but I think the woman who was behind me, I kind of felt like she felt like the traffic was moving because the lane beside us, you know how when traffic goes to moving up a little bit. So in the midst of that, she ran into my rear end bumper and bang, smashed, and we collided. He was in the back seat, I was the driver, and the father, he was on the passenger side. Brooks Law Group, actually, and it was a family member, a friend of the family, actually. They just said you guys were a good company to look into, so I was like, I'm gonna look into them. I mean, once we reached out to y'all, I mean, hey, from day one, it's been a go. It's actually been a go, and it's been okay. It's been a fun ride. Everybody's communicated well. You know, I've not had one bad communication with anyone from the firm. Everything has been good. And like y'all firm, y'all are a good firm. I would recommend anyone to you guys in the near future, or if I needed you guys again in the near future, you guys would be a preference that I would come back to. I mean, like really, I had no problems with this case, like none whatsoever. So it's nothing that I would change because, like I said, everybody was on their feet. They were ready to go.